Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Tonight we are staying in Hilton Vacations Club Grand Villas here in Orlando, Florida. There it is. Sorry, lots of words to say. And their rooms are actually newly renovated. Don't quote me on the date or how long it's been since they renovated these bad boys, but we're here in January of 2026 and I'm going to show you the room. Let's go. So here is the door behind me, as well as the entrance. Cute little sofa, nice wall painting, some cushions here, a mirror, a lamp. Then we have here a kitchen, small table, closet. They're conjoining rooms, but we are not sharing rooms, so these people are just our neighbors or additional guests. Small kitchen, lots of got a coffee machine, a toaster, all the dishes that you need, knife, etc. We have a fridge. Of course, there's nothing in it, or a pitcher, and a freezer, and an ice maker, which is nice. So fully stocked kitchen for the most part. And then here is the king size bed, very cute, very clean, very simple. Closet in the bathroom with additional chairs for dinner, so the table can stretch out and become a 4-seater opposed to 2. We got some blankets here, additional blankets, ironing board, hangers, and a safe, very important, as well as beach towels. The bathroom looks really good, actually. It's a double vanity, really long mirror, which I like, and a really nice tub with a new, like this backsplash is really nice as well. It's not jetted, but it'll do. Then we have the toilet room here, which is really pretty straightforward, as well as a step-in shower, which we love. And then last but not least, we have this little balcony area. Not a crazy view, but 2 chairs, just of the parking lot. But either way, it's pretty cool. And we do also have a really nice flat screen here. So that completes the room tour for Hilton Vacation Club Grand Villas in Orlando, Florida. And someone's already ready to enjoy the couch. See you guys tomorrow. I also wanted to mention that when you first get here, they do give you a map showing you what's, the resort and everything that it has to offer, where your building would be, etc. Like I mentioned, we were in the CeeLo building, which is not too far from the entrance. And they will also offer you an activity schedule. So as you can see, there's a lot going on. And for the week that we're here, unfortunately, our stay is very short. And we came to relax, so we won't be indulging in too many activities. But if you were interested, they do have them. They do offer lots of activities for children and adults. Good morning. So here is the balcony during daylight. And I mentioned that I would show you. So let's see how it's looking. If I can get this door open. There we are. You know what? That's pretty nice for it to be January. So I will take you guys to the pool area and show you what that's like. And whatever else this resort has to offer on our short stay. Alrighty, let's go and see what the pool is like. I love the do not disturb signs. They are literally magnets. So let's see, which way do we go? That looks like parking. This sounds like pool. Alright, so this is one of the pools. Let's go downstairs and see what it's looking like. So there is no lifeguards on duty, so they're really adamant about keeping an eye on your kids and staying alert. But our hotel room is closest to the turtle pool. So here's a little information. You can pause if you want to read it. And now we're going to go see what the pools are like as soon as I can get in. So, nice pool, deli, and a hot tub. So the pool and the hot tub is cool. It's 60 degrees today, so I'm not really pressed to get inside of the hot tub or the pool. But check out, I want to mention, it's at 10 a.m. and it's pretty non-negotiable. So do expect to be out of here early. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and gather our things and head on out of here. And we'll let you know about what that process is like. Overall, for the short stay that we were here, very comfortable, very clean. The bed was amazing. I slept so well. Got a tub, took a bath in it, loved it. It was really nice. No jets, but it was still nice for a whirlpool. Overall, I give this place a good 10 out of 10. I have no complaints. Like I said, I can't speak too much about the activities or food here because I didn't indulge. But based on my experience, I do recommend you coming here and exploring the Hilton Vacations Grand Villas here in Orlando, Florida. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.